There you go.
Wait, did you get a new napkin?
Yeah, this is a new one. Nicole didn't clean her ears, so. Alright, see what's in here. Yup.